Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new to my YouTube channel. My name is Rayon Hudson, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use my new preset. I called it warm tones too in this in my in the presets section of Lightroom, but it's like, well, I haven't thought of a good name for it yet, so I just put it as warm tones too because I already had another preset named warm tones. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to use it on this photo right here. You guys can download it, it's for free in the description below. Let's get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is kind of like a color grading preset because it changed the color of the leaves, and yeah, so if you don't like it like this, you can just like warm it up a little bit. You can go to the reds, lower it down because it's too much for the shirt. You can lower down the orange as well. But since the image is like very like vibrant, I'm gonna lower the vibrance a little. And I'm also gonna bring up the shadows and the blacks. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. What else? Maybe lower the highlights over here on the tone curve. That might look good. Okay, so I don't think. Okay, I'm bringing up the magentas and the purple a little bit because of the shirt, and yeah. If you don't like the leaves to be this saturated, you can like bring it down a little bit. And if you want to change the color of the leaves back to like green, you can bring the yellow hue up. And if you want if the highlights in the leaves are too much, then you can just lower the luminance of the yellow or green, whichever one you okay, I don't know how to explain it, but like if the green changes the color of the leaves, you can lower the luminance of the green. If the yellow changes the color of the greens, then you can lower the luminance of the yellow. So yeah. Alright. Yeah, so I think that's pretty good right there. Maybe bring up the sharpening, bring up the noise reduction because I like to bring up the noise reduction a little bit so it can be a little smooth. As you guys can see, it made my brother's face smoother, more smooth. Yeah, I think that's looking good right there. So yeah, this is the before and this is the after. I'm just gonna raise the luminance of the yellow because I don't really like I just want the leaves to look like a little more natural. Okay, before, after. Here's the before and after side by side. I think that looks pretty good right there, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys can download the free preset in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think of the preset and if you would actually use it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.